Hi dear students, welcome back to the lectures of data structures. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about the list insertion sort. So as we said, we have already discussed about the insertion sort algorithm, which is also called as straight insertion sort. As we all know that sorting algorithm arranges the elements either in ascending or descending order, but insertion sort will go a method of maintaining two lists. One is unsorted list, other one is a sorted list. So what we will do in the beginning itself, we will consider that all the given elements, we'll consider all the given elements in the ascending order. See, what are the steps we have discussed for straight insertion sort, that is insertion sort. The same steps we will follow for the list insertion sort. The only difference, you please watch the video of straight insertion sort so that you'll understand what is a list insertion sort. So whatever the things we have followed in straight insertion sort, we will do the same thing, but the only difference between straight insertion sort and list insertion sort is, here we are maintaining two lists, right? One is sorted list, other one is unsorted list. And we are going for the first element in the unsorted list and we are bringing that into the sorting list. So now what we will do after bringing that into the sorting list, we will go for the first element, next element in the unsorted list. We will compare that with the element in the sorted list. If they are already in the order, we will bring that 20 to the next position of 15. So see here also, here we are maintaining two arrays. One array is for sorting, one array is for storing sorting, that is the elements which have already sorted. Another array is for sorting, another array is for storing the unsorted elements. See here, the given list of elements are these, and we have divided that list of elements into two parts. One is sorted and another unsorted one. Sorted means initially we are taking the first element into the sorted list. That's it. We have to start the process like that only. So we are taking the first element in the sorted list. The remaining elements are there in the unsorted list. Now compare the first element with the sorted list elements. Like that. Now what we will do, the same thing we will follow in the list insertion sort. The only difference is whatever the output list means whatever the sorted list we are having, for that sorted list we will not maintain array. Instead of maintaining array, we will maintain linked list. Suppose we will take 15. We are not comparing this 15 with any other element. We are directly bringing that element 15 into the sorted list. So 15 will be maintained in a linked list. We will maintain this 15 in a linked list. And after that, consider 20. What is, see now what we will do, if it is a 20, we will compare this 15 and we will compare this 15 and 20. If 15 is smaller, we have to arrange this 20 in the next position of 15. So what we will do, we will go with the same procedure of straight insertion sort. But the only thing is we will take all the elements of sorted. We will take all the sorted elements and we will maintain all the sorted elements in a linked list. That is the only difference. So that is the only difference between straight insertion sort and list insertion. What you will do is, finally consider this is the sorted list, right? So don't maintain the sorted elements in a array. Please maintain the sorted elements in a linked list. First 5 we have sorted 5. After that we have sorted 10. After that we have sorted 15. After sorting all the elements, please maintain a separate linked list for the sorted elements, which will called as list insertion sort. So this is what the difference between straight insertion sort and list insertion sort. Everything is same, only difference is we will maintain a separate linked list for the sorted elements. Unsorted elements will be in the array only. For sorted elements, whatever the elements we have sorted, that sorted elements will be taken and we will bring that into we will store that elements into the linked list. Suppose if 15 is, suppose we have started with 15. Next the element is 20, right? So we will compare 15 and 20. After sorting only, we will maintain that we will store that in a list only. So first complete the sorting process. So in the last, after completing the comparisons, everything is completed. Once we sort all the elements in some order, so take all these elements into some linked list. We have to maintain a linked list for storing all these elements. This is called list insertion sort. So this is what I would like to teach you. We'll meet in the next video lecture. Thank you.